Top 15 mobile app development project ideas. 1. Fitness tracker. Develop an app that tracks users' fitness activities, including workouts, steps, calories burned, and progress towards fitness goals. It can also include features like meal tracking and social sharing. 2. Language learning app. Create an app that helps users learn a new language through interactive lessons, quizzes, and games. It can also include features like speech recognition and conversation practice with native speakers. 3. Recipe finder and meal planner. Build an app that allows users to discover recipes, plan meals, create shopping lists, and track their nutritional intake. It can also include features like personalized recommendations and dietary restrictions. 4. Travel companion app. Develop an app that assists travelers with itinerary planning, hotel booking, flight tracking, currency conversion, local guides, and recommendations for restaurants and attractions. 5. Budget tracker and expense manager. Create an app that helps users track their expenses, manage budgets, set savings goals, and visualize their financial health through graphs and charts. It can also include features like bill reminders and expense categorization. 6. Meditation and mindfulness app. Build an app that offers guided meditation sessions, breathing exercises, and mindfulness practices to help users reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance their overall well-being. 7. Task management and productivity app. Develop an app that helps users organize their tasks, set priorities, schedule reminders, and track their progress towards goals. It can also include features like time tracking and collaboration with team members. 8. Music streaming and discovery app. Create an app that allows users to discover new music, create playlists, and stream songs online. It can also include features like personalized recommendations, offline playback, and social sharing. 9. Online marketplace and e-commerce app. Build an app that connects buyers and sellers, allowing users to browse products, make purchases, track orders, and leave reviews. It can also include features like secure payment processing and order tracking. 10. Healthcare and telemedicine app. Develop an app that enables users to consult with healthcare professionals remotely, schedule appointments, access medical records, and receive personalized health advice. It can also include features like symptom checker and medication reminders. 11. Social networking and messaging app. Create an app that allows users to connect with friends, share updates, photos, and videos, and communicate through instant messaging and voice and video calls. It can also include features like group chats and event invitations. 12. Educational app for kids. Build an app that provides interactive learning experiences for children, including educational games, puzzles, quizzes, and storybooks. It can also include features like parental controls and progress tracking. 13. Remote learning and online courses. App. Develop an app that offers online courses, lectures, tutorials, and educational resources on various subjects. It can also include features like quizzes, assignments, and certifications. 14. Job search and career development app. Create an app that helps users search for job opportunities, build resumes, prepare for interviews, and enhance their professional skills through courses and workshops. It can also include features like job alerts and networking opportunities. 15. Home automation and IoT control app. Build an app that allows users to control smart home devices, such as lights, thermostats, security cameras, and appliances, remotely from their mobile devices. It can also include features like automation routines and energy usage monitoring.